Hi, as I prepare our Sunday lunch today, I'm going to be sharing with you how we prepare banana leaves to prepare mashed matooke, a common dish in Uganda. In this same video, you're going to discover the other ways we use banana leaves to cook in my African village. We are starting off with the beans because they are the part of the menu that takes longer to cook. Over here, in most cases, we cook our beans in the pot because they taste much better. The flavor is top-notch. We then headed to the banana plantation to collect banana leaves and prepare them for our dish, which is the main part of our menu today. Here is the art of preparing banana leaves for mashed steamed matooke, a very popular dish in Uganda and our staple where I come from. Watch and learn something or teach me something. Thank you. If you'd like to see the outcome of the meal we are preparing today, kindly watch till the end. Thank you.
Two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. Man, it feels like yesterday.
The banana leaves are done and now we get to prepare our stalks. These banana leaf stalks are used as the base in the saucepan to prevent our food from getting waterlogged. Continue watching and you're going to see how I use them.
When she was looking out that window on the bus to second grade, the first step she'd ever take, the first cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time to go our separate ways. But there's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.
We are back home and our beans are going. We've cooked them in the pot and this is how I use the banana stalks. This is my own way of doing things. It's not like a traditional way, but this is the way I like doing my things, and this is how I make my life easier or my cooking easier as I prepare the steamed mashed matooke. I do this, put enough water, and it helps my food to soften up, but then again, not be waterlogged. And when I'm serving it, I get it out easily.
First for everything. like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain.
The peeling had started and this young girl offered to peel the matooke.
From her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my baby girl become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
As the peeling was going on, I went ahead to smoke our chicken, which is part of the menu today for our Sunday lunch.
tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
When the chicken was already smoked, I placed it inside the pot. Yes, you're seeing pots everywhere. We love using pots around here. So we put it in the pot, steamed it, and added vegetables. Yeah, so that's how we cooked our chicken. A very simple and organic stew. The next part of the menu was posho or ugali. So I placed water on the fire for the same.
It's young. It has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the...
When the peeling was done, I went ahead to wrap our matooke or bananas in the banana leaves. Meanwhile, our posho or ugali water is ready and it's time to mingle. And this is my own way of doing that. And the ugali or posho comes out tasty and very, very good.
Wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to...
Where I come from, once you're done mingling the posho, you wrap it in the banana leaves and go ahead and steam it. And trust me, the flavor is out of this world and you're so sure that it's ready. So just like the pots, banana leaves are something we use in so many ways right here in my African village. And as you can see, our matooke is ready and it's looking nice, though the camera did not do it justice. And it also smells heavenly. This was our chicken. That is how it turned out. The camera still did not do it justice. Our beans are also ready. We fried them with ghee, tomatoes, and onions, as simple as that. That's how our posho is also looking like. And it smells and tastes so good.
From the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
This is my plate and I enjoyed the meal. If you've enjoyed the video, kindly give it a like, leave me a comment and tell me what you think. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. And if you're my returning subscriber or viewer, you are treasured. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. We meet in the next one.
The top, we're gonna be